To install QuickBooks Online, start by going to the QuickBooks website and selecting the plan that best suits your business needs. QuickBooks offers several plans, including Simple Start, Essentials, and Plus, each with varying levels of features and support. Once you have chosen your plan, click the Sign Up button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to create an Intuit account, which will be used to access your QuickBooks Online subscription. Enter your email address, password, and other basic business information, such as your business name and address. Make sure to use a valid email address, as this will be used to verify your account and send important notifications. After creating your account, you will be asked to verify your email address by clicking on a link sent to you by Intuit. This is an important step, as it ensures the security of your account and prevents unauthorized access. Once your email address has been verified, you can log into your QuickBooks Online account and start setting up your company file. To set up your company file, you will need to provide some basic information about your business, such as your business name, address, and tax identification number. You will also need to set up your accounting preferences, including your accounting method, fiscal year, and tax year. QuickBooks Online will guide you through this process with a series of prompts and wizards, making it easy to get started. Once your company file has been set up, you can start using QuickBooks Online to manage your business finances. You can add users, set up bank accounts, and start tracking income and expenses. QuickBooks Online also offers a range of features and tools to help you manage your business, including invoicing, payroll, and inventory management. To get the most out of QuickBooks Online, it is recommended that you take some time to familiarize yourself with the interface and features. QuickBooks offers a range of resources and support options, including online tutorials, webinars, and customer support. By following these steps and taking advantage of the resources available, you can quickly and easily install QuickBooks Online and start managing your business finances with confidence.